If the words comfort food equate to unhealthy food in your head, you're in for a surprise. Got you 2 gluten-free, healthy comfort food recipes today. Idli with chutney and a very zesty, tasty masala idli. Hello and welcome to J&J's Food Basket. There is a reason I have an affinity towards recipes from the Indian subcontinent. For one, they're full of surprises. For another, their flavors never fail to excite the taste buds. In times like these, when we are counting on food to provide us the much needed comfort and security that nothing else can, here I'm simplifying tasty dishes with my easy recipes that you can cook using ingredients from your own kitchen, just for you. Idli is a comfort food that comforts both the mind and the body. It's light, fluffy, gluten-free, practically oil-free, and steamed. These are steamed rice cakes originating from the Indian subcontinent, popular as breakfast foods in southern India and in Sri Lanka, though you could enjoy them even as lunch or snack. They are best served with chutney or sambhar. I've got 2 recipes for 2 very different kinds of chutneys up ahead in the video. They both go very well with idli. As for sambhar, you can find my sambhar recipe at the suggested link that just popped above. Next is Masala Idli, a very easy and quick way to turn the idlis you just made or any leftover idlis from the previous day into a zesty, tasty snack. This one's also a great lunchbox idea for kids or the office. So, Just follow along our videos and make warm, fresh, healthy food in the simplest way possible from the comfort of your own home. Thank you for watching this video. You will find the list of ingredients in the description box below. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket.